So this is in Sandy Ground, St. Elizabeth, and we'll be traveling from here over into Black River. So welcome to the channel, guys. Bless up to all of my viewers and my subscribers, my first time viewers, special welcome to you as well. Thanks for locking in, thanks for sharing time, space and energy with us over here. Yes guys, so as we travel this section of St. Elizabeth, I just gonna take you along with me so you can have an appreciation of what this area looks like. Presently, as I said, we are in Sandy Ground and we are approaching the roundabout. Presently, we're going over a bridge in Sandy Ground that was damaged. They have presently done some remedial work on it and now it is almost in completion. So this is Sandy Ground roundabout, guys. If you continue straight, that will take you into Luana and all the way into Santa Cruz, all the way to Kingston. But we are taking this right turn, and this no right turn will take us into Black River, into Paraty, over into Southfield, over into Treasure Beach, Alligator Pond, all of those places. This road can take you all those places, guys. Enjoy the scenery as we journey into Black River. So go and watch. So we are approaching Silica Mine on the right. So that's where you get all the stone dust, marl and all of those things. If you make this left turn, it take you onto Speculation Road. That's right here. And that road carry you all the way back over into Brompton and sections of Luana. So we are officially in the Black River area, guys. And this right here on the left is Black River High School. After you pass Black River High School, you have KFC in the distance right there on the left. And approaching on the right is the Black River Hospital. The clinic is on the left. That's right here. Take that left turn, go over to the clinic. But this over here on the right, guys, is Black River Hospital. It was damaged badly in recent hurricanes, but a lot of refurbishing has taken place, and the theater actually is now open for operations. So this is what Black River looks like now, guys. So continue watching and enjoy the scenery, the scenic view of Black River. Some patching work has been done on the road, those areas where you see the new asphalt. Yeah, a lot of potholes were in those areas, so they were patched out. So Black River has been steadily coming back together, guys. Several businesses has reopened. So right here on the left, that's where all the taxis now parked. That goes into White House and all of those areas. So this that we're on now, guys, is High Street, and we are gonna make that left turn. This road now take us down to the police station. On our left that we just passed is the parish church that was totally destroyed. So the police station, guys, is right here on the left, and we're gonna make that right turn now onto Market Street. So businesses on both sides of this roadway is open. Straight ahead of us in that empty space, that's where the market was, the Black River Market was right there on the left, guys, that we are passing. It was totally destroyed. The fish market is there on the left as well. And over here on the left, there used to be a prominent restaurant that was flattened. It has not been replaced. So this is Black River, guys. We are taking a left turn to go over the bridge, and this road now will take us onto Crane Road. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in all of my other videos.